I'm going to teach you the exact method to turn your life around and really be productive. I see every YouTuber talk about what to do to improve yourself, but no one actually tells you how to realistically implement it. You are given a long list of things you need to do, but no actionable steps to doing them. That's why in this video, I'm going to reveal the thing that will change your life and get you ahead of everybody else. The secret to everything you want in life, status, money, muscles, girls, high-value friends, is to build a daily routine and to follow it blindly. If school or work starts and ends at different hours every day, write an incredibly detailed routine for each day of the week. But if not, make one for weekdays and one for weekends. The one thing that should remain the same regardless of the day is the time you wake up and go to sleep. It doesn't matter if you have to wake up at 6 a.m. for school. On weekends, you will wake up at that same time. This is very important because changing the time you sleep will significantly reduce your sleeping efficiency, so if you keep changing it every day, you will end up always feeling tired. Now, unfortunately, I can't give you the perfect daily routine because everybody has a different schedule and priorities, but it must consist of working out, reading, and working on your business, or something that is going to get you to financial freedom. Also, don't forget to set some time aside for socializing and going outside. After you have your routine for each day, the only thing you need to do is blindly follow it. Right now, you might feel motivated and think that this is going to be easy, but when tomorrow comes, that feeling will most likely go away. That's why you need to not listen to your brain whenever it tells you to meditate later, because at that moment, you don't feel like it. Or that meditation doesn't even work anyways. Your brain is what got you to feel depressed. It's what made you watch porn and masturbate so many times. It's what convinced you that playing video games is productive, and it's what stopped you from going up to that girl you liked that now has a boyfriend. Stop letting your lizard brain control your actions and keep you down. Why would you listen to the thing that put you in this bad spot in the first place? For every hour of the day, look at your routine and force yourself to follow it religiously. Put your life in the hands of this routine you have created, and you will see that with time you will achieve everything you set out to. The reason why this works is because when you go about your day, working whenever you feel like it or not going to the gym because you are a little sore, you don't build up that momentum that makes you more likely to do hard work. And the only way to get that compounding momentum is by being consistent and sticking to your schedule. Because when you let your brain dictate your actions, you end up wasting your life away. A quick tip for you is, whenever you have something like work on your business in your routine and you don't know what to do, spend that time researching and learning about it. Let's say you have working out between 6 and 7 p.m., but you don't have a gym subscription, or you don't know how to work out. Spend that hour searching for a gym near you to go to, or looking up the correct form for an exercise you want to try. Go and write your routine right now if you want to change your life and leave your competition behind.